sacred lands. Amazing
I have
place.
really been on task. I have really worked at stuff I don't like to do. Several hours. So this is nice.
Well, it's very nice for us. So
Nice for me too.
wow. What a wonderful experience.
Mm.
An 88-year-old woman with eye problems helped me space these out. This is her stride.
Oh, okay.
You want to know what 88-year-old American woman who is
Pretty nice stride, yeah.
physically working. She's a good worker.
Yeah, she doesn't mess around.
All the granite is sitting St. Pete Church, though, the same thing. You had to move it, but you didn't have to pay for it.
Right?
Gosh, amazing.
So the future is
Amazing
like that
place.
could really work. And so can I.
Incredible. Incredible. Really,
So
really.
I've been doing this since 1990 and working full time until I got arrested for being a bad guy. Then I started doing it full time. I can't leave a ladder here, but you know, I got boards over here to hold the ladder, so you climb up there and read and get a
Really?
different
Oh,
view.
yeah.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful place. It's like the magic garden.
Mm. Beautiful.
Secret garden.
I'll, because, you know, I'm already dirty, I'll make sure that it's clean. They're
Yeah.
Put one leg here and one leg there.
Go on, Andy.
Yeah, okay. There we go. That's a nice seat.
It is, like sitting in a saddle.
Yes, it is.